This Real Estate Advantage property video is presented by Richard Benedetto. Charming 4-bedroom, 1.5 bath ranch home that is perfect for everyone. This home has had some remodeling done. The family room is cozy with a wood-burning fireplace, perfect for those chilly nights. Living room, kitchen, dining room, and laundry room are all spacious, ensuring that you have plenty of space to move around. This home also comes with an attached one-car garage, and a fully fenced-in yard that provides privacy. Additionally, there is a shed for extra storage. Home is also conveniently located to stores and schools. For more information, review the details below or contact Richard Benedetto at 716-665-9403.